1 year, you're up 26% on the NASDAQ, 25% on the NASDAQ, 17% on the S&P 500. So the NASDAQ's up double what you can see on some of the smaller indices like the Dow, which only includes 30 stocks. Of course, if you want to look at what's happened this week, and that's just noise, don't read too much into a week. 1%, pretty good. Year to date, where are we on some of these? Well, year to date, the NASDAQ's up 12%. Okay, and the S&P 10. Let's dive a bit deeper into the news. Anything here catch my eye? Yeah, the big one is Google is fined $3.5 billion for breaking Europe's antitrust laws. Oh boy, is Trump going to go ballistic on Europe on that? And he's going to pick a fight with them. With his new Ministry of War, I think he's going to pick a fight with a lot of people. Now, there's headlines elsewhere here, but none of them are really market moving. Speaking of market moving, which are the big gainers? Well, Broadcom, up nearly 10%. Obviously, those in tech and chips doing well, as you can see. Tesla, I guess that pay deal has helped them. A bit too volatile for my liking. What about the losers? Anything there that might hurt? Well, Lululemon, I do wear their clothes, but they've never, I think, been on any of our filters. So nothing much to say for me there. I suspect Advanced Micro Devices will end up being more of a buy the dip type of company for people. I guess the biggies there, Nvidia, Microsoft, obviously that's just clearly a bit of noise. You've got AppLovin, which is very popular amongst the retail clients. Palantir, which has been in the news for some selling by, I think it was Stanley Druckenmiller, George Soros's former business partner. I haven't looked at the fundamentals on Palantir recently, so couldn't say whether it's a buy the dip or anything like that. You can see quite a few names over there, but this is just obviously shorter term stuff. Nothing much you want to read into that. Don't panic. Don't get overexcited either with the gainers. 54 gainers, 47 losers. This is the NASDAQ 100 we're looking at, of course, the 100 largest companies quoted on the NASDAQ exchange. And basically how they've done today. That's it. That's your brief. I guess the more important thing you want to know is the 1 year move. NASDAQ being up 25%. Okay? Quarter of the way to doubling your money in just 1 year on NASDAQ alone.